This is a small-scale deodorization process which follows after the bleaching process. As we can see, there are several components in this process. We can see the distillator, the main deodorizer, and other pipes which come from the steam and other processes which happen during this deodorization process. This is the main distillator which separates the steam and the water, and as we can see these pipes above, the steam comes from another source so that the oil doesn't cool down. As we can see, there are several pumps as well. There are two pumps mainly, and one is for the vacuum and the other one is for the product pump. So this is the steam pipe which comes from the inlet and goes into the heat interchanger, and it goes, as explained earlier, the main purpose for this is to not so that the oil doesn't solidify. So this is the oil which comes from the bleaching process and goes into the main deodorization reactor. As we can see, this pipe transfers inside to the deodorizer. So this is the main control panel where the product pump and the vacuum pump can be altered, mainly the temperature and the pressure, and we can also see the voltmeter and the ammeter where the current and the voltage can also be changed for this process. So this is the product pump where it increases the pressure of the oil which comes from the deodorizer. As mentioned earlier, this is the inlet of the steam which comes from outside, and this happens in and goes into the heat interchanger so that the oil doesn't cool down. As we can see, there are several pipes which go into this deodorizer and not make the oil cool down. We also saw a heater in the control panel, and this is mainly for the distillator so that the steam is continuously supplied into the heat interchanger. As we can see, these pipes, they go directly into the deodorizer and liquidify the steam. So this is the distillator, and as we all know, distillator usually separates liquids according to different boiling points. So the lower product, as we can see, goes into this pipe and is disposed outside. So it's mainly just water, and the steam goes back into the heat interchanger. So this is the deodorizer where the oil comes in and the whole process mainly happens inside. As we can see, this is the pump where the vacuum from the steam is pushed inside and it goes inside. We can also collect samples inside here once if we can see what to alter, and eventually the oil goes through these pipes and can be collected in this